At the dentist in America. How to explain your problem in English. Real-life American English conversation practice. Hi there, welcome back to another real-life American English lesson. Today, you're going to learn how to speak English at a dentist's office in America. You learn how to check in for your appointment, describe tooth pain, understand dental questions, and talk naturally with a dentist and hygienist. These are real English phrases Americans use every day during dental visits. So relax, listen carefully, and repeat out loud with confidence. Let's begin. Arriving at the dentist office. Hi, I have an appointment at 2 p.m. Sure, your name please? Michael Johnson. Thank you, please have a seat. The hygienist will call you shortly. All right, thank you. This office is really nice. Thanks, we recently remodeled it. How long is the wait today? Only a few minutes. Perfect. Talking to the hygienist. Michael? That's me. Come on back. How are you doing today? Pretty good, but my tooth has been bothering me. I'm sorry to hear that. When was your last cleaning? About a year ago. Okay, have you been flossing regularly? Not as often as I should. That's pretty common. Any sensitivity or pain? Yeah, my lower right side hurts when I eat cold food. How long has that been happening? Maybe for the past 2 weeks. Does it hurt when you drink hot coffee too? Sometimes, yes. Okay, I'll make a note of that for the dentist. Have you had any swelling? No swelling, just pain and sensitivity. Got it. Dentist examination. Hi there, I'm Dr. Miller. Nice to meet you. I hear you've been having some tooth pain. Yeah, especially when I eat cold food. All right, let me take a look. Open wide for me. Okay. Does this hurt right here? A little bit. How about this side? No, that side feels okay. All right, I can see a cavity on your lower right tooth. That's probably what's causing the pain. Is it serious? It's not too bad yet, but we should treat it before it gets worse. Okay, what do we need to do? We'll need to fill the cavity. Talking about the procedure. Can we do it today? Yes, absolutely. It should take about 30 minutes. All right. Will I need a shot? Just a local anesthetic. You'll be fine. Will it hurt afterward? You may feel a little soreness for a few hours, but it should improve quickly. Okay, that doesn't sound too bad. You'll probably feel numb for a couple of hours after the procedure, so be careful when eating or drinking. Got it. Can I go back to work afterward? Yes, most people go back to work the same day. Perfect, let's do it. During the procedure. All right, you'll feel a small pinch. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Good. The anesthetic is starting to work now. Can you still feel this? Not really. Perfect. That means you're numb enough to begin. You're doing great. Thanks. I always get nervous at the dentist. A lot of people do. You're not alone. Just relax and breathe normally. Okay, almost done. After the procedure. All right, we're finished. That was faster than I expected. Everything went well. Great. Avoid eating hard foods for the rest of the day. Okay. And brush gently around that tooth tonight. Will I need another appointment? Just come back in 6 months for a regular cleaning. Sounds good. Thank you so much, doctor. You're very welcome. Take care. Have a great day. You too. Fast shadowing practice. Hi, I have an appointment at 2 p.m. Your name, please? Have a seat. When was your last cleaning? About a year ago. Any sensitivity or pain? My lower right side hurts when I eat cold food. I let the doctor know. Let me take a look. Does this hurt? A little bit. You have a cavity here. We'll need to fill it. Can we do it today? Yes, it should take about 30 minutes. Will I need a shot? Just a local anesthetic. Okay, let's do it. Amazing job today. Now you know how to speak naturally during a dentist appointment in America, using real, everyday English. Medical and dental conversations can feel difficult at first, but practicing real situations like this makes English much easier and more natural. So keep practicing every day. Listen carefully, repeat confidently, and train your speaking like a native speaker. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe for more real American English conversations. Comment "Dentist done" if you practiced today. And tell me what lesson you want next. Emergency room English, pharmacy English, airport conversation, coffee shop English. Keep learning, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next lesson.